Here we go. Diamond play button for achieving 1 subscriber. Okay. This is the reward for achieving 1 subscriber on YouTube. Okay, just download the file at the description link below. Click it and then you'll head it to jetcraps.blogspot.com and then find the pattern there. Then click the link. There should be a letter on the size of the paper. Okay, download it. Here's the printed file. So now what we need to do is trim out the edge, okay? Just like that, guys. And then need to put it here. And then add a tape. You need to tape it. Grab a tape. And just then this side here have some these two. You need to paste it here, okay? And now we need to cut out the patterns, okay? I'm going to skip this one because it will take too much time, okay? See you in the next bit. So, okay, let's see. So, this is what we have now. So, for this, we will just paste it in the cardboard. So, we don't need to cut it or trim it, okay? And then, for these parts, we need to trace it in the cardboard, okay? So, for now, we will work on this. So I have this cardboard. Since it doesn't really fit this rectangle, because I want to paste it without any bend like this one, because it will show on the cardboard. So if we paste it here, the line would be here, the folding line. So what we need to do is trim it, okay? So it can fit on the cardboard without the bend, just like this, okay? So if your cardboard is big and it doesn't have any of this, then it should be fine to paste it without trimming it. Then here we go. So it can fit now. For this, just paste it here without the bend, like here, okay? So flip it, okay? Then add some glue. So I'm just going to dot it because we want to remove the paper on the cardboard later on. Spread it a little, dab, just a small amount of glue per piece, okay? So it can hold while we're trimming out the cardboard later on. Now for the rest piece, like this one, the long ones, you just need to trace it in this cardboard, okay? Now to trace it, we need a marker or a pen. If you don't have a marker, use a pen, okay? So I will start here, and so to hold it in place, I will use a masking tape, okay? There and here, okay? Then trace it, okay? Let's do this triangle. Now let's cut out the patterns, okay? And I will be right back. And now, okay, so I'm done cutting out the patterns. Now I just need to remove the paper on the cardboard, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, after that, it's time to do the glue. Okay, let's start. with the front side. Okay, now let's do the side. This will be easy. Okay, here we have the sides. Now let's just add it in the side. Okay, do the glue. We're done. Now, just put the back on and the play button on the middle. Okay, this one. Do the glue! Should be enough. Now, just clean it. Okay, you just need to clean it. If you want to color it, sure, why not? So it could be a diamond play button. Please, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and leave a like. Comment down below your idea you want me to make or anything else. Here we go. Diamond play button for achieving 1 subscriber. Okay. This is the reward for achieving 1 subscriber on YouTube. So guys, please consider subscribing if you're new. Leave a like. And I'll see you on the next video. Okay? Bye-bye. Do the glue!